And it really only connects to iPhones. I'll demonstrate that in a second. At the very bottom of your AirTag, you do have the ability of basically replacing this battery. So you can hold it across two different sides like this, so pinch the top and the bottom, and the top part kind of swivels. So you can kind of swivel the top one direction or the other, and you'll be able to replace this battery. So that's typically how you do it. It's various success if you kind of do it the right way, but eventually if you do it a couple of times, the back of the AirTag box or like the AirTag case will actually come off and you'll be able to replace the battery on your AirTag too. So again, all you do is just pinch the sides like this, and this part kind of just slowly, kind of comes off. You want to be gentle with it. And then this top portion will basically come off. And if you want to insert this back, all you have to do is kind of align these little back creases against these sides right there. And you can kind of just see it'll like clasp in place. And you just kind of do it the other way. So you kind of click it back into place, and then eventually it'll go. So you can see if you move it around, nothing's going to happen. It's stuck. So that's how you replace the battery. Now, actually connecting it to your iPhone is going to be very easy.